Let's talk about weather. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather today? Is it sunny?
No.
No. Is it windy?
No.
No. Is it cloudy?
No.
Not exactly. Is it rainy?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a rainy day. And my dear, tell me what we should wear in a rainy day. Let's see. Oh, Mr. Bear, Bear, Mr. Weather Bear, tell me what to wear. If it is a rainy day, we should wear
Umbrella.
umbrella. Very good. Umbrella today. Good job, my dear. What else? If it is a rainy day, you should wear
Jacket.
sweater.
Sweater.
Yes, very good. Sweater today. Yes, you can wear a sweater in a rainy day.
Rain.
See properly. If it is a rainy day, you should wear. What is this? Pants. Very good. Pants today. Put on the board, please. If it is a rainy day, you should wear. What is it?
T-shirt.
T-shirt. Very good. T-shirt today. Okay, good. Put it there. Good job. If it is a rainy day, you should wear. What is this? Didn't you know?
Socks.
Socks. Very good. Wait. Let me show. Socks today. Very good. If it is a rainy day, you should wear. What else? On your feet. Boots. Very good.
Boots
You
today.
should wear
Boots
boots today. Sit down. Very good. Now sit down. If it is a rainy day, you should wear. How about shoes? Yes, you can wear shoes.
Shoes today.
Shoes today.
D.
Very good, my dear. High five. Good job.